Thinglink is a digital space that lets educators pull lots of different rich media types into in one easy-to-access place.
Hi everybody, welcome to this tutorial. Once you create an account, this is what you see. So to create your first project, you have to click here on Create. You see that there are different types of media that you can upload. For this project, you will upload an image. Sometimes you get a tutorial when you click there, so you have to click on Continue. But I didn't get the tutorial, so I'm gonna click here. Okay, I need first my image. I'm going to use a screenshot of the park of Alajuela. So I upload it. Click on upload. Well, actually, sorry, wrong button. You have to click here on continue. Once it is uploaded, you have to click here on continue. And this is your workspace. So the first thing you have to do is to add a tag or hotspot. There are different types of tags. There's text and media, text label, embed, transit. So for this project, we're going to use text and media. So when I click on text and media, this opens up. Okay, the first thing that you have to choose is the icon. For me, I really like icons that look like a click. Okay. What is the icon for? It is the place where people come and click and listen to you. So you change the icon. There's the space for the layout, how you want the information to be displayed. There's the title. Let me write, Welcome to Alajuela. And I also wrote in the description, Mango City. Mango City, you can highlight it with bold letters, negrita, italics, whatever you want. If you want to put a link, this is the place where you put links. This is the space where you have to upload media. Okay, media can be pictures or it can be audio. For this white space, I think I need something else. I need a picture. So I'm going to upload a picture of a drugstore because I'm going to talk about a drugstore. And as you can see, you have Welcome to Alajuela, Mango City, and I have a picture of a drugstore. You can upload audio that you previously recorded, or you can record the audio from here. Pueden subir audio que grabaron anteriormente o pueden grabar audio directamente en este espacio. I recorded some audio, so I'm going to upload one that is called Neighborhood 1. When I open it, I'm going to listen to it. There are 3 supermarkets and there is a bus station next to the bank. There are no airports or train stations in my town. There is a hospital near the park and you can find 2 or 3 drugstores. Perfect. So now I am going to click on Done. And where's the icon that I just created? It's right here. So you can click and drag to anywhere you want the icon to be. So for example, I'm going to put it close to Parque Juan Santa Maria because there's a drugstore here. Okay. I am going to add a different tag. So add a tag, text and media. Maybe I am going to say, I'm going to change the icon to this white icon, or maybe a heart, because I'm going to talk about my house, okay? And I'm going to write welcome to my neighborhood. neighborhood. Welcome to my neighborhood. And it is, I don't know, Villa Bonita. Okay, bold letters, maybe italics. And then I'm going to upload a picture. Since it is one of my neighborhood, I don't know, maybe I want to put a picture of myself there, or a picture of the actual neighborhood. Welcome to my neighborhood. I can change the layout. It could look like this. It can look like this. Maybe not that one. Like that. No, it's covering my eye. I don't know, maybe this one. And I'm going to say I want to record, or instead of uploading an audio, I'm going to record. I click. Welcome to my neighborhood. And click again. Let's listen. Welcome to my neighborhood. That was a little too loud, so I'm gonna record it again. Welcome to my neighborhood. Let's see. Welcome to my neighborhood. So you can record it many times as you want. And I think I'm ready, so I'm going to click on done. And I finished the project. This is what it looks like. Here it is going to be public, so you click on that now, and you can share the link with your professor. You can share it on Facebook, I don't know, X, anywhere you want. You copy, and this is the link that you share with the professor, of course. I hope you have a good time creating your projects. We really want to know about your neighborhoods. Bye.